Alright guys, this is the finished project. I'm still waiting on pull chain parts to make it a black chain of chrome ball at the end. This is just in here for temporarily. It's just so the parents can see it and see what they think officially. Most likely it's going to be going in the computer room. But for candy, you can tell. All looks pretty nice. There's the tag. There you go. I made you some touch around the tag because you can still see some brown. I might also do the blade screws in black, like these screws down here. I'm still debating on it. Either way. Let's see. Oh no. Let's go over here. This video. Find something to prop it against. Gives me a good angle. Of course, there's nothing here. Ah, there we go. Okay. So from right about here. Sorry guys, getting my camera stand going again. I might have to go and move that ladder, it looks like. Is that good enough? Move my oiling ladder right now. Is that a shot? Okay. And the first speed we're going to start off with low. Bearings are a little stiff right now. I'm actually putting the oil back in the fan at the moment. There still is a little bit of a wobble, but I mean, it's not that even I'm going to care about that much. Get a better view of it right now. I'm really pleased with how this came out. Actually, I like the look a lot. That's the 2-speed fan on its low speed. Go ahead and put it on high. Back in the camera stand. Hurt. There you go. Hang on. Alright. Next up we have high. High. Still moves very good amount of air. Thing an 100 originals do. Looks like on there a little bit better. There we go. I was debating if I want to do anything with the windings. You can see them through here, but I kind of like it that you can still see the retro parts of it. Yes, a good shot of the tag over here. And this is the finished, repainted Robinson Myers Hunter original 22272 model. The originally brown is now in a black and chromish silver finish. Now we're going to do a spin down, though I don't think it's going to be too good right now because I'm still letting the oil run through the system. It sat in my garage while I was waiting for parts to be finished, painted, and stuff for a good amount of time, so the bearings may have dried out a little bit. But nonetheless, I'm not going to leave it in here for tonight, maybe tomorrow also. Let it run, let the oil get in the system again. Well, it still has a pretty good spin down time. It's not like it's super dry. Either way, this is the finished product. No, it still stops fairly fast, but you can't ask for perfection. So, stay tuned for further updates of this fan. Thank you. Bye.